To get inside the grow house creating magical cures, we need to be blindfolded. It's top secret. The location must remain unknown. A new expansion means this will soon be Australia's biggest indoor cannabis crop. The green grows under 24/7 surveillance to help people like Rachel. The 44-year-old has suffered migraines since she was a teenager.
Pain-free, not one headache, not one migraine.
The cannabis plants become magical potions inside this factory that operates under the strictest controls on the planet. This is ready to be prescribed by a doctor.
This is what you get. You get relief. You get relief. And you get the life you need.
It's not a cheap process. The smallest of vials cost hundreds of dollars.
It's important to make sure that it's a quality product that's safe for consumption.
Thousands of people from around Australia and the world are eventually set to benefit from this little bottle of oil. The product is approved to treat more than 100 conditions, from epilepsy to PTSD, and some swear it's changed their lives.
But the oil isn't suitable for everyone.
We certainly encourage patients to talk to their GP. It's a simple first step to see if this is a product that would work for them.
Emily Baker, 7 News.